Psychology for the last 28 years, and in the beginning I was working for voluntary organizations. There are some people here who are thinking of starting wellness centers. So rather than having hospitals, how beautiful it will be to have, to think in terms of something positive like wellness and look towards prevention and just well-being instead of cure and treatment and cure. And then I began to use the Louise Hay work later on, and I got trained to run those workshops. And then I came across Colin Tipping's Radical Forgiveness, and I found I really liked the principles and the concept because it resonated with how I felt. And again, in NLP, we have the positive intention, which is again very similar to the concept that Colin Tipping has in Radical Forgiveness. And that's what we're going to share now. And while we go through the next 2.5, 3 hours, I thought it would be nicer to have it experiential than giving a talk. And is everybody okay with that? Yes. Because you can always read up stuff, but to actually experience it is much nicer. So we'll start even with, we'll just start with something like a song. And I think you have the song sheets. And we'll only be singing the first song. Because for anything to happen, for anything to shift, even in a small program like this with 3 hours, you can have a huge shift happening within you. It's just allowing. If you can allow it, the universe is always ready to give you that. So this song is about trust, and to be able to allow something, what we need is trust. And why sing it? Because when you sing, you're accessing the right brain. You're using the right hemisphere of the brain, which connects to the unconscious. So it's easier for whatever you want to happen when you connect with when you use the power of the unconscious. And that you can access through the right brain. And that's why the singing. And the words in the song is mainly, they're like affirmations. I think you're all familiar with affirmations. An affirmation is a statement. It could be positive or negative. And if it's a positive statement, then it's a declaration of what you want, what you desire. And then it becomes easier for that to manifest in your life. And although a lot of people use affirmations, you may not